Hiya folks, welcome to part 3 of getting Jonny Smith's 2CV back on the road. Hopefully you've watched part 1 and part 2. Part 1 was getting the car running and driving it over to the workshop. Part 2, stripping it down and doing some of the mechanical work. This video is all about the bodywork. Our aim is to keep the original rusty look but make the body shell structurally sound, what is actually a very hard thing to do. As you can see, we use a chassis as a jig to make sure all panels are welded in correctly. Sometime in the past, somebody has modified the boot floor area. I believe it was modified to get a bigger fuel tank in the car. We had to replace the offside seal, and as you can see, the front A panel where it joins the seal is extremely badly corroded, and this is actually on show when the car is built. So we had to weld in some new metal, but it wouldn't look right if that bit was painted. So I think Mario done a cracking job of making new metal look old. And Mario has gone as far as he can with the welding. To finish off, we needed to turn the body shell upside down. Once the welding is complete, then we applied etch primer to all the new panels. Now for the important job, seam sealing. I cannot stress enough how important this job is. We use a good quality automotive seam sealer. Once we apply it to all the seams, then we brush it into the seams as well to make sure it gets in every nook and cranny, because if you don't, water will get in and the car will go rusty. Once this has gone off, then we apply body shorts. We've been using this process now for over 24 years and never had an issue. Hiya folks, thanks for watching this video. This is just a quick reminder for you to subscribe to our newsletter. The link's below. It's the best way of keeping up to date all what's going on at the 2CV shop. Plus, we'll send you a free ebook, the 2CV Buyer's Guide. Now, back to the video. We leave it a day, then we turn the body back over. We clean all surfaces we are going to be painting. We etch prime, then prime. We sand down the primer to give a smooth finish and a key for the top coat. But before we apply the top coat, we apply more seam sealer on every seam and joint. And also we brush it in. Then we apply the top coat. For those of you interested, the colour is Grease Typhoon, paint code AC147. It is the original 2CV colour from 1963 to 1965. I hope you find this video interesting. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe.